Welcome. I haven't had any vlog for like a few months now. A lot of things have happened like since my last vlog. This is quite a fun one, enjoying my life as I go on a staycation with my girls. Okay, so it all began when I packed my clothes and left the house. We first stopped by at a store to get snacks because we knew we were gonna get there at night and we might not have the energy to get food. So we were like, you know what? We might as well just snack on something, popcorn, anything, and yeah, we just got a couple of snacks. This is us on our way. We're like we're at the back seat of the car, and the rest of the girls are right in front, and we're driving. I was being a backseat driver, not minding my business and stepping on my imaginary brakes while the car was going, but it was a lot of fun. The view, everything was so amazing. I already knew at that point it was going to be a great trip. I guess I'm not very good at minding my business because we missed our exit because of me. And because I wasn't minding my business, I was telling her what to do at the back seat. But we got there good and fine and healthy. No, nothing missing, nothing broken. We were good. We went straight to check-in. We got our room. Let the fun begin. We were on the 25th floor. See, that's given. Now, that's given high. That's given up there. And we really liked our room. It was so much fun. Honestly, those snacks were not enough. We ordered pizza because we were like, nah, it's giving hungry. And then we found a way to sneak the birthday girl out of the room and we started to decorate before the surprise. Yay! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Why is she? Put on your crown, girl!
Hey! What do you call me? I knew you. What did I tell you? You're buying Moscato.
Aww.
I knew you were up to something. Everybody, your gifts. Bring out your gifts. Sadio. Thank you, Gary.
What's in the corner? What's in the corner? It worked. The funny thing is, they tried to get in before the decorations were done. So I was so smart. I locked the door from inside. I made sure they couldn't get in. So they kept knocking. And she was like, oh, maybe the key's broken and they can't hear us. They probably went to bed already because we were tired and they went down for a drink. So they went back to get the key. And when we finally opened the door, she's like, I knew you guys were up to something.
Before when I said that check our kid is not broke. Oh my god. No, thank you guys. Oh my god. I said, Money, did you bring me out of the room because you guys are doing something? Money said, us? No.
What is all I done with you? What is us? No. We did a great job in it.
Yes, so.
Why am I a pig?
Playing multiplayer games for me.
Let me see your own. Penguin. Money, what's your own?
I'm a rabbit. I'm a bunny rabbit.
Oh, you people's own is cute. In fact, we have a beef to settle. Why am I getting pig?
Oh god. If I start the first question.
There, let me see your own.
If anybody's
Dog. Me, what's your own?
I don't have it. How we go at each other. I died.
I'm a fox.
You are a
That's the fox.
It's giving K-drama.
It's from grandmother. It's from Good Bad Mother.
Ah, Chinta. Oh, yeah. I remember that woman.
Oh, take a video of our back. A video. Yeah, the back.
Your hair's covering it.
I think like 3 of us. A video of the 3 of us.
Oh my goodness. People should do fast. I can't see Fatu's back.
Living my life, loving my life, living and loving and living my life, living my life, loving my life, living and loving and living my life, living my life, loving my life, living and loving and living my life, living my life, loving my life, living and loving and living my life, living and loving and living.
Okay, so it's a brand new day, and today is the actual birthday. We threw the party last night when it was like 12 a.m. and now we are getting ready to go out. We are ready. We're gonna go get our nails done. Just booked our appointment. Well, I'm ready. I think everybody else is ready. Monisela and Fatu are busy watching videos from last night on their phones. While Precious and Mide and the rest are just chilling. When are we leaving, guys? When are we leaving?
Oh yeah, do you know that I was doing?
Oh, okay, we're waiting on
Darren.
Darren. So once Darren is done, we are out of here.
He's doing slow mo. Jesus is Lord.
What?
They're gonna do slow mo video.
Delete the number.
You're not trying to delete me. So before anything, we decided to get a cup of coffee to start the day since we slept so late. I don't know about others, but like coffee don't really do anything for me. Like, it doesn't make me tired. It doesn't make me not sleepy. It's just a regular drink. I don't think that caffeine in coffee actually works for me, but that's personal. Anyway, we went downstairs. We were like, we're gonna stop at Starbucks because they had Starbucks inside of the hotel, and so we went to Starbucks to get coffee. Yay! That's so creepy though.
When I said cold, you looked at that phone. Oh, it was cold. You wanted.
They can put ice.
Yeah.
Do you want ice?
It's okay. I'm no, they could actually change it to cold.
It's actually very
but
creepy.
I think it's supposed to be like this if it's cold, right?
Cutie.
It's okay.
Living and loving and living my life, living my life, loving my life, living and loving and living my life, living and loving and living my life, living my life, loving my life, living and loving and living my life, living my life, loving my life, living and loving and living my life, living and loving and living, living and loving and living, living and loving and living, living and loving and living my life.
We're done with our nails. We're just going to get food, and out of all places, we encountered a rude server at Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A of all places. Saba was getting on my dear friend Darren's nerves.
Yeah, I'm pissed off.
Back to the hotel. You know I am. I don't waste time.
Yeah.
It is kind of cold.
Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place.
Alright, so a few of us took some selfies and we went straight to the restaurant. This restaurant was awesome, like really good. The food was so good. This is the first time I've ever gone to a restaurant in Atlanta and loved the food. The steak was juicy and everything was just great. Since I'm not very adventurous with food, I'm not into like trying new food like that, but I love good food. So I would say I recommend this to anyone. If you want to go to a restaurant and you want to eat something good in Atlanta, definitely try this restaurant. I'm probably going to put the name on the description since I don't remember it. But yeah, it was good and my girls, they loved it too. After a nice meal on our way home, we had to stop by at CVS because someone needed to get a pimple patch. You know your skincare girlies.
Brought pain relievers, and I also brought indigestion medicine. 'Cause I don't be playing games with that.
I don't want to take off my makeup. It's so cute. So I did it myself. And I took off my lashes. I'm about to wash off everything else and get ready for bed. It was nice while it lasted. We're going for brunch. Yeah. And then during yeah, she's gonna feature in my. It's gonna feature in my vlog. There is Bom Bom is the main character. You know. She was about to say something, and she like, huh? Recording. We're gonna go eat. This place looks good though. Okay, you can get lost here. Where are we going? I'm rapping, bruv. Are you done rapping, bruv? And then the Nigerian version, the thing goes school. Pa 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 pa. Skibidi pa pa. And the do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay, alright, pause. Let me tell you what happened. We got dressed and we were ready for our brunch when Precious here started throwing up. She was throwing up like crazy. She wasn't feeling very well, so we knew immediately that this is gonna ruin the day, but we still wanted to make sure she had fun, even as we had fun as well. So they brought the food back. They're so sweet. And then we started playing games in the room.
Do you want fries? No.
What's Fatu eating though?
The same as me there.
So Precious and I are leaving first. We're supposed to leave tomorrow, but we're gonna leave first because she's not feeling very well. The rest of the girls are gonna leave tomorrow, so I guess this is it. And we're off.